Hello there, beautiful people. You want to know how to add a 3D website intro on your Shopify store completely free in less than 5 minutes? That's exactly what I'm about to show you. Without any more talking, let's just get to it. So the first thing you're going to do is make sure to access Shopify dashboard, obviously. And next thing you're going to do is click on sales channel from the left menu in here, then click on online store. So it will open up the section where we can edit the theme. And the next thing you're going to do, which is the most important step here, is make sure you duplicate your theme. Simply click on the three dots beside edit theme, or if you're using on a draft theme, click on the three dots and duplicate the theme. So everything we do in this tutorial, we do it on the duplicated version. So in case something happened, you can have your live version untouched. And if you like the changes, you can simply publish the one that we did changes on. This is very important. The next thing you're going to do is click on the three dots again for the duplicated theme and click on edit code. And after it opens up the code editor on the left panel right here, you will see some folders. There is one folder called sections. Click on it to be expanded. Then again, right click on the folder name sections, and you will see this option called new file. Simply click on it and it will create a new file and name it 3d-section.liquid. It doesn't matter what you name it, just make sure you add the .liquid extension for the file. That's very important, otherwise it will not work. So any name .liquid, then click on done or click enter, on your keyboard. It will create the file completely empty. In here we need to pass in the code. Where are you gonna get that code? Scroll down the description box and you will see a link, my website, completely free. Click on it and it will take you to this page right here. Then scroll down a little bit and you will see a lot of code, no worries. Click on this button right here to copy the code, the whole code at once. Then get back to the code editor and simply paste it in the file. Now click on save, wait for a couple of seconds, it saved it. Now we will get back to where we clicked on edit code and simply click on edit theme this time, where we added the section. And now we will simply navigate where you want to add the intro. So if you want to add it on a different page, not the home page, simply click on home page at the top of the page and navigate where you want to add it. In my case, I want to add it on the home page. And again, the second question, in case you want to show that 3D intro across all the pages. So for example, if the customer accessed collection page directly, you want to show him the intro, 3D intro, this is what you do. You simply move the mouse cursor over the header here, where there is the plus button, and you will see two options in here. One, add to header and add to template. So basically, if you add the section to template, it will only show up on the template, which is basically the home page template. However, if you click on add section to header, obviously the header exists on every page, so the section will show up on all pages. So if you want to show the 3D intro on all pages, add it to the header. But in my case, I want it only to the home page, so I'm going to click on add section to template. Then it will show you this prompt, so you can search for the section, and here it is, on how 3D intro. In case you don't see it, search for it. This is the name, on how 3D intro. Click on it and it will add the section and some options will show up here. As you can see, some customizable options. And the first one is if you want to enable or disable the video intro, and the color for the background in case there is a transparent video or anything like that, and the text color because there is a heading in case you want to add the heading. I'm going to keep it white. And below is the video sources. So the video sources, there is two types, the video desktop and the video for the mobile, because obviously the mobile screen ratio is not the same as desktop, so it needs a narrow video. You can add, if you have one video, you can add to both, then test it, see how it looks like. In my case, I will only add it for the desktop. So I'm going to click on select a video, and I have a video here, I think. Let me add this one. By the way, this video was actually created by AI. So now you can use AI to create intros like this one or anything similar. So it's very easy now, actually. You don't have to hire a graphic designer or anything like that. In case you want to go like professionally, you can do that. And the text overlay, I'm going to add on how studio. So it will show up on the video. You will see that in a second. You can resize the text as well, and the overlay logo in case you want to add a logo as well. I'm going to select a logo and you can resize the logo. Let me actually resize it a bit more. Yeah, 260 is fine. And the content position. So you want the content, which is the logo and the heading, center, which is in the middle, or top center or bottom center. I'm going to keep it as default. And below there is a button called skip intro. In case the user doesn't want to finish the whole video, or there is an option actually to close the video before it's finished, there is a button that says skip intro. So you can easily click on it and skip the intro and access the page. I think you should keep this one enabled. And the position for the button, top right, top left, bottom right, and so on. I'm going to keep it as default. And below is the customization colors for the button. background black and the text white, and the effect, dark overlay, opacity, in case you have a white, like has a white video, white background video, it's gonna make the text not too visible. So I'm gonna add a dark overlay to the video, and also auto close delay. So in case the video is too long, the customer doesn't have to sit around and watching the whole video. You can do 10 seconds. So after 10 seconds of the video playing, it will close the video in case the video is too long. So this is very handy. In my case, I'm gonna keep it as 10 seconds. It's perfect for me because the video is not too long. And this one, the session management, which is the video will show up only once per session, which means once the customer access the home page, they access the collection page, and they back to the home page, it will not show the section, which is the 3D intro. But if they close the website and get back again to the Shopify store, then it will show the intro. Or you want to show on every visit. So even if they close, they access the collection page or product page, and they are back to the home page, and it will show the intro again. In my case, I'm gonna do every visit. And yeah, it shows up because of every visit. Now, if I click on save and preview the website, so it should show the intro before anything else, and here it is, and the skip button, as you can see, and the logo and the tag. And that's how you add a 3D intro to your Shopify store completely free in less than 5 minutes, I think. And if you have any questions or you need help with your Shopify store or you need custom sections, make sure to reach out. But for now, I think my job is done. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.